Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best Ziploc paper sandwich bags. A must-have for anyone who values convenience, sustainability, and fun designs in their food storage. If you're looking for a practical, eco-friendly option for packing sandwiches and snacks, these bags are an excellent choice. These Ziploc paper sandwich bags come in a 50-count pack, making them perfect for anyone who frequently prepares meals for on the go. They're designed to be resealable, ensuring your food stays fresh while also being easy to open and close. Which is perfect for parents packing lunches or anyone in need of quick food storage solutions. What sets these bags apart is their material. Made from non-wax paper, they are both food safe and recyclable, offering a more environmentally friendly alternative to traditional plastic bags. Not only do they help reduce waste, but the natural paper design gives them a charming, earthy feel. Each bag features fun, earth-inspired imagery, showing that you care about the planet while enjoying your snacks. These bags aren't just for sandwiches. They're versatile enough to store other food items like fruits, veggies, meats, cheeses, and even snacks like crackers and nuts. Whether you're keeping things in the fridge or the freezer, these Ziploc bags have got you covered. They're perfect for any food storage needs you might have, helping to preserve the freshness of your items. Another fun touch is the inclusion of 50 recyclable stickers in each pack. This makes sealing the bags not only easy but also fun, especially for kids. Whether you're packing lunch for a school day or preparing snacks for a picnic, these stickers will put a smile on your face while you seal your bags with care. At $6 for the 50-count pack, they're affordable while still providing quality and a sustainable option for food storage. So, if you're looking for an environmentally friendly, functional, and fun food storage solution, the Ziploc paper sandwich bags are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews and recommendations. See you in the next video.